Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to check if your Android has been hacked or not. If you want to check that your Android has been hacked or not, so you can check, open the dial pad and here go to dial and you just have to dial a code which is star hash 67 hash and then call. Here you will get a notification that your service has been forwarding. Here you can see the call service has been forwarding, so you just have to disable it. For this you have to enter the code hash 002, then hash, then call, and here your all forwarded services will be disabled. And now you have, here you can see the notification has been turned, the call forwarding service has been disabled. So that's how you can check if your phone has been hacked or not. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.